The untold story of air conditioning. Imagine a sweltering summer day without the cool embrace of an air conditioner. It's almost unbearable. But have you ever wondered how air conditioning came to be? Back in 1902, a young engineer named Willis Carrier had a groundbreaking idea. He wanted to control indoor humidity, not just temperature. This concept would change the world forever. Carrier's first machine was designed for a printing plant in Brooklyn, New York. The aim was to reduce humidity, preventing paper from expanding and ink from smudging. It worked brilliantly. As the machine evolved, its cooling capabilities became apparent. It wasn't long before air conditioning found its place in theaters, making summer movies popular. People could finally escape the heat. By the 1920s, air conditioning spread to public buildings, such as department stores and offices. It transformed how people lived and worked, providing comfort and boosting productivity. Residential air conditioning arrived in the 1950s. Suddenly, home wasn't just a place to shelter from the elements, it became a bastion of comfort. Families could now enjoy a cooler, more pleasant environment. Air conditioning has had a massive impact on architecture and urban planning. Cities like Houston and Dubai, known for their extreme heat, owe their growth to the cooling revolution. It also transformed industries. From food storage to pharmaceuticals, air conditioning ensures product quality, safety, and efficacy. It's hard to imagine these sectors thriving without it. Over time, technology advanced. Modern air conditioners are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Innovations like smart thermostats allow for precise control, saving both energy and money. Despite its benefits, air conditioning presents challenges. The demand for cooling is growing, putting stress on power grids and the environment. Sustainable cooling solutions are more important than ever. Today, air conditioning is ubiquitous in many parts of the globe, improving quality of life and economic productivity. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt to our environment. As we look to the future, the goal is clear: develop cooling solutions that balance comfort with sustainability. Air conditioning, after all, is more than a luxury, it's a necessity for many.